Today's video is going to be very special. Very importantly to those who are interested in making money out of their investment. This is Prithvi presenting a super investment Ek Hata property besides Mantri Splendor apartment bang on Hennur Main Road. This brand new property is only located 50 meters away from Hennur International Airport Road. This brand new property is constructed with high quality river sand construction. This locality is fully developed with plenty of houses and shops around, with malls and Manyata only 2 kilometers away from this property. With white and brown combination, builder has managed to give a simple look at the same time trendy and modern look as well. This complete property consists of 6 units in total, that is 5 units of 2 BHK and 1 unit of 1 BHK, all built on a plot size of 2300 square feet approximately, with well-maintained setback areas all around. This property comes with a complete sanction plan from BBMP authorities. Hence, this property is loanable from nationalized bank and also private banks. Plot is west facing. Setback area maintained throughout the property. Ample space for 2 BHK car parking all around in the basement and 2-wheeler car parking as well. As you can see, there's a lovely setback all around in the compound, as there is no deviations maintained at all. Owner is interested to sell this whole building in one settlement, or he's okay with the buyer going with bank loan. So let us quickly look at a 2 BHK unit and discuss about the price of the whole building. One unit of 2 BHK in the ground floor. In the first floor, there are 2 flats of 2 BHK, and second floor 2 flats of 2 BHK, all standalone without any common walls. Sizes of 2 BHKs are 1100 square feet, and all 2 BHKs in total in the whole building are 5 units. All the flats are approximately same design, same finishing. As you can see, the builder has done a fabulous job all around with complete ventilation. When I say 1100 square feet, that does not include balcony and utilities. So if we include balconies and utilities, then that would come up to another 150 square feet. And the kitchen is spacious. The dining is spacious. Dining and kitchen has a joint balcony, very spacious utility and a balcony, both are joint, which overlooks a beautiful greenery which belongs to Charles Convent. Hence this land will be utilized for fathers and sisters small guest houses. So there would be never big construction coming around in future in this land. (6,800 square feet is the total constructed area of the whole building. This whole building falls under BBMP Ek Hata property. So builder is planning to sell the whole building at the price of 3 crores 50 lakhs at one settlement, or the buyer can also go and avail a bank loan. Rent expected for a 2 BHK in this place closer to Manyata, which is only 2 kilometers away, would be 18,000 to 19,000 for a 2 BHK of this kind. So total 5 2 BHK will sum up to around 90 to 1 lakh rupees, and a 1 BHK would fetch around 10,000 rupees, which is located in the terrace. So the total income of this complete building on a monthly basis would be 1,05,000 rupees easily. Owner is also flexible to bifurcate, that is, divide the ownership of this complete Ek-Khata building into two and sell it to two different buyers. Hence, each buyer will get a share of 3 flats each. One buyer may have to pay little less than 1 crore 75 lakhs to get 2 units of 2 BHK plus 1 unit of 1 BHK, that is 3 unit in his share out of 6 flats. And the other buyer will pay 1 crore 75 lakhs for 3 units of 2 BHK in his share out of 6 Ek-Khata flats. So guys, if your budget is just around 1 crore 75 lakhs, then this is an amazing deal and one-time opportunity to grab 3 2 BHK flats which is approved by BBMP Ek-Khata, ready to move in, brand new on Hennur International Airport main road. As I earlier said, builder would be happy to give to one buyer for the budget of 3 crore 50 lakhs this whole Ek-Khata building. Prices are slightly negotiable as there are no properties available in this price range for an brand new ready to move in BBMP Ek-Khata property. Investors and buyers are mostly welcome to look at this property. For the visit, I would request if you can give us a prior notice of 1 day. Kindly contact us for the visit on the WhatsApp link given in the description. We are available on call as well. Our WhatsApp link will take you to my number. Thanks to all the subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video brought to you by Savaria Seth Estates. Hit the bell icon for more interesting videos in future, and also share this video to one friend of yours. Last but not the least, if you have a plan of construction, then do send us your plot dimension on the WhatsApp and we will revert to you with end-to-end solution under one roof.